headlamp repair. Wire harness replacement. You have to open both parts. So you're able to replace wire harness that has issues. C300 way out. Harness right there. The issue right there. And we have to replace it. Just got the new one over here, which we're gonna replace. This is the one right here. Got it on eBay, but that's not the hardest part. The hardest part is just breaking in the headlamp, replacing it. We'll be back. And now we just taken out the inner part of the headlamp. So it'll give you access to replace the wire harness right there. This is the part you need to be replaced. We'll show you this part we're replacing, and then when we put it back. We will be right back. Now we are gonna replace harness right there. See, get access to the inner part of that lamp. And we're going to replace one harness with a new one. Because the old one, you can see over here, all the cover that's around the wire get room. That's why you got on your dashboard the message that says that you have a bolt that is not working properly. It's because of this. We'll be back. We're gonna put back together. We already replaced the harness, and we're starting to assemble back the headlamp. It's already closed, and we're gonna put the clips right now. Now the headlamp is ready to get back in the car. So we'll show you later how we're gonna install it on the car. This is the bumper, how we took it out, just to took out the headlamps. Then we're going to show you when we assemble back the headlamps. This is the type of work you have to do to replace the wire harness. You just replace and put back the bumper with the headlamps. We are just cleaning the outside, and that's how you replace the wire harness for a C300. This is an 08 Mercedez. Take out the message that you have on your dashboard. Now you can see everything's been replaced back. Alright.